guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Felicia Olivia, and I am going to be having you get ready with me. We're going out to eat tonight, so get ready with me. It's my natural hair.
Okay.
I hate this. He's irking my nerves today, irking me. Anyways, yes, this is my natural hair, and we are about to go out with this curly hair style because my flat iron broke and I need a new one. So until I get one, I am not straightening my hair. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna be using my James Charles palette today, and I don't know if I'm gonna be using NARS or if I'm gonna be using Fenty foundation. So you'll be seeing. Stay tuned. I think I wanna wear my Fenty. My skin feeling a little dry today though. Feeling a little dry today. Dry today, dry today, dry today, dry today. So it glide on like butter.
Oh, you stinky boy. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna tell your grandma come when she gets you.
So yeah, my mom's here. So she's gonna be watching the baby. Me and daddy go out.
You got a stinky butt, son. You just woke up with a stinky butt, son.
It smell like it, one thing.
Nope.
There you go.
No, thank you. I pass. I pass. Not today. Not today. Good timing, Shiloh, by the way.
For mommy till mommy come. Mommy bring cake and sugar plum. Give baby some.
So what in the Guyanese?
What in the Guyanese? You don't say what in the Guyanese. You don't say what in the Guyanese. You don't say what in the Guyanese. Got pants for mommy till mommy come. Mommy bring cake. That's what I'm gonna sing to you. Great granny gonna sing. Clap hands for mommy till mommy come. Mommy bring cake and sugar. Alright. Alright. We warming it up. I'll get up.
does your dad wear? Where's those index cards I bought you so I can write your options?
What are my no. How about I pick one? I write one
No,
card. You write
that's
that.
two. No, that's not how it works. You get the pick.
I mean, if you want to
You're
write the
gonna
cards,
be the picker.
No. She can write the cards and I'll pick, but you just
I'll
have
be
to
the
pay
picker.
for everything you write.
You're the picker.
No, okay. I'm the picker.
He's gonna write the card. Yeah.
Okay, I'm the picker. We're picking the cards.
Okay, so let's think, Shiloh. What's your mommy's options? What's your mommy's options? Huh, Shiloh?
So what you do is write.
The way it starts is like, okay, get your nails done or get your hair done. And you pick, because like for the whole day, it's supposed to be kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then after that, it's like, okay, steak and lobster or McDonald's and milkshake. Then the desserts.
Plantain and Duff make black man tough.
Coolie water rice, pork and spice, wash your meat with rice.
Wow. Coolie water and rice. Pork on spice. Wash your BT with what? What are you washing your BT with?
Say, Granny, what you do? How you do? How you do? How you do? Say it. Say it. Smell your toes. Crisscross.
Simple.
Smell your toes.
Alright guys, so today we about to go out. Me and my beautiful wife, know what I'm saying? We gonna do a few things that ain't nothing too crazy. So we have to give the options. I got the card thing. We doing that. What's that? That's like a TikTok.
I don't know. It's like
It's like a challenge. You know, put a few options on the
TikTok
cards or
challenge, I
whatever. See what it's hitting for. So let's start it off. Hold this. It's all good.
Hold on.
Let me give you your first few options. Do you want to intro?
Hey guys. So we are getting ready to go out. And we're gonna try that TikTok challenge. My husband did a few cards and not really cards, but you get the concept. And he chose a few things, and I'm gonna be picking for today some light, you know, just some activities. And I really wanted to eat something. My mom is watching the baby, so yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna let him do the honors.
All right, y'all. So these are two options right here. Oh, shit. All right. So you gotta pick one, babe. Which one you want?
For dinner?
Don't worry about what it's for. Just pick one on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you pick. Oh, we gotta do this. Wow, so I gotta angle this different because niggas is looking through the card and I don't want her to know what the options are. So I'm gonna do this a little differently, guys. Stop looking. Don't look till I say look. Alright, cool. Alright, y'all, so it's time for the first option. Go ahead, open your eyes, pick one of the cards, babe. Come on. Nice.
Seafood dinner.
Let's go. Seafood. You wanna do the other card right now? Get it out the way?
Yeah.
Alright, so you got that. Now let's see.
Oh no, do you do it after?
Could do it after. Sure, we could do it now. It's up to you. Just
Okay.
do it now.
I don't know how this TikTok trend works, but Milky Way.
Alright, let's go. So we got seafood and then we got the
Milky
ice
Way?
cream spot after.
Which seafood place though? You didn't pick one.
I'll stop the video and we'll figure it out.
Okay. I'm gonna figure out what seafood spot. I think we didn't get the understanding of this task, but we getting the gist of it. So that works.
I'm Shelly be leaving him daddy. You got the walk for the low, I'm a copper for sure, now my color like jelly. Yeah, Shelly, I pay for her through the celly. Baby, don't make a dilemma, my chopper be singing like Nelly and Kelly. I'm for the hate and the bad energy, come on, mind on my money.
we decided to get seafood, and we went to our first place, but it was closed. So we're at Hook and Reel, Cajun Seafood and Bar. No, I went here on my birthday. I never went there with you. I don't think that's the entrance. Anyways, I went here on my birthday like a few years ago with my dad and my brother. And we just want some seafood, so yummy yum. Yum. Oh, so it's clipped for that too. I don't know what's going on with all of these seafood boil spots, but they're all closed. No, but my phone said it was open. Maybe they have a holiday? Like the Asian community? Huh? It's kind of cold. Anyways, there's a Cheesecake Factory right next to it, so it is what it is. Cheesecake it is. Cheesecake was packed. So we're at some cute place. I don't know what the hell this is. I think it's sushi. Beats me. Chilling at the restaurant. So this was unexpected, and we decided to go to a sushi and hibachi bar. We got a regular table because I'm not trying to be sitting around no flame. But yeah, it looks pretty cute in here. I don't know what's going on today, but all of like seafood boil places were closed, and it is what it is. I'm just trying to eat good. It's my outfit. And enjoy myself. I'm probably gonna get some shrimp, hibachi, and a nice little drink. Little drinky. I don't know why my breast keeps throbbing, but it's been happening all night. I am still breastfeeding, so I don't know what's going on.
Oh, wait. Green on.
Have Marie.
I told you you're not going to drink it.
I really want to drink. I haven't engorged food. I don't know why. I fight very often. So you get to have not here. Sometimes the first time here, I have some help to.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Out. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Any question, let me know.
Okay.
Thank you.
I hope I'm not getting charged for those.
Sweet.
I wasn't getting charged for those mix-ins because it said like $15 for two. That's not protein. It said 15 for extra, 25 for 3 proteins, 15 for 2. I only got 2 proteins: the chicken and the salmon. The other stuff was mix-ins.
I don't know.
I was trying to play it safe because I don't know if I'm gonna like all this shit.
I don't think. How hard?
That's basically a rice.
Why wouldn't you like it?
I never had it.
No, but like
Fish shavings.
you asked for fish shavings. So it's good. I hope it is. For your sake.
Walk there. You're right here.
All right.
First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
So tonight, you keep going.
salad at Hibachi always hits.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Brown the chicken.
Just your hero.
Thank you.
Try and let me know if you like it.
Some sushi. It's called a Tokyo roll. It has shrimp and spicy crab. Yummy. What were these called?
Rocks and tempura.
Rocks and tempura.
That's what we got for your birthday. You say that.
I was about to say it looks just like it. How do you like the calamari? I love this sauce. It's like a sweet chili mango sauce. Great.
The roll?
Yes,
If I ordered a lot, yeah. I already something.
yeah.
Because with the shrimp and the spicy crab, they don't quite
It's perfect,
taste
yeah.
very good.
It's delicious.
And they think the sauce is very good.
Everything so far is
Really good.
really good. My husband got the Patron margarita. He told me I can't drink, so
If you haven't technically.
I made my technical difficulties with my boobies. So, pineapple juice it is. I can get jiggy with this every time. But I can get jiggy with that every time. That rock shrimp tempura, we had that at Say Less. It tastes just as great here. You like it better here? Or
Say what?
I like it at here it's better.
That shit was different.
Maybe because it was your first time packing. So, our viewers haven't gotten your take on how you feel as a new daddy again.
Talking about kids right now? Oh, I love my son. He's amazing. It's different because I only got daughters, so my son is a little version of me. My little guy. New experience for me.
He's a pretty fun baby
You me,
for a little bit.
he doesn't last long.
I have salad already. I don't want yours. He ordered a poke bowl. I don't think you ever tried that, right? You never tried it before? Tried it? How do you pronounce this place? Takumi? Takumi so far? 10 out of 10.
Maybe having that dumpling soup.
It's not dumpling.
What is it?
I forgot what it's called, but it's much.
It's trash. You don't like it?
I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody.
Hey guys, so the waiter just brought us fried Oreos. That was so sweet of her. She is so awesome. If you ever come to Takumi, what area would this be? Bayshore? Yeah, so if you ever come to Takumi and Bayshore, definitely come check this place out. It's the bomb. I'm gonna link the address down below in the description bar. But let me get into this.
Yes.
If I could get it.
How is this?
Really good. Nice. Good try it.
Alright guys, I got some ice cream for y'all. My wife wanted me to get some for her. Here we go.
Hey guys, I am back and I am going to be doing a review of MilkyWays ice cream and cereal bar. So, you've seen in the prior clips, we went to MilkyWays and we got some yummy ice cream. It's purple. That's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you more about the place. So this is like a cereal ice cream bar, and basically the way it works is when you go in, I think they have a few locations. They have one in Coram and they have one in Huntington, and this is Long Island, New York, so they have like really good hours too. But here's the jig. So they have like how they do it. So step one is you choose like what flavor you would like, and if you would like a milkshake, a cone, or a cup, which is what I got, a cup. And step two is you choose your cereal, and they have like a bunch of different cereals: Apple Jacks, Captain Crunch, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Cocoa Puffs, Cocoa Crisp, French Toast Crunch, Fruit Loops. They got Frosted Flakes, Fruity Pebbles, Honey Bunches of Oats. The list goes on. Then, after that, what you do is you choose what toppings you want. So they have toppings of fruits and nuts that you can pick from, which is like almonds, berries, bananas, strawberries, and peanuts, and even like toasted coconut. Then this is more of up my alley: cookies and candy toppings. So they got like brownie bites, cheesecake, bussin'. Okay, and they have chocolate sprinkles. You hear Shiloh in the background? Yeah, he's chilling with his daddy on the bed. We're just gonna brush over that. They have cookie crumbles, they have cookie dough, Oreos, they have gummy bears, they have Kit Kats, they have mini M&Ms, they have mini M&Ms, like I love that. He's like itching with that. They have milk chocolate chip, they have Nutter Butters, they have rainbow sprinkles, they have Reese's, which is my husband's favorite, and they have Teddy Grahams and white chocolate chips. I'm pretty sure they have more stuff at the place, but this is what I can see online. And then you choose your drizzle. So the drizzles are chocolate, strawberry, raspberry, caramel, honey, marshmallow, and peanut butter drizzle. So then they also have specials. So let's get into what I chose. The specials are basically like the already made. You don't have to pick it and go through the long list of choosing. And I'm indecisive, so you get the jig. So my husband got the Cactus Jack, which is vanilla ice cream with peanut butter puff, banana blend topped with Reese's Cups, peanut butter, and chocolate drizzle. Sounds good. I'm not a big peanut butter fan, but I think he loved it. Well, he said he loved it. So He's sleeping right now, so let's get into what I got. So I got the campfire. It's vanilla ice cream with a blend of cinnamon toast crunch, Oreos, topped with brownie bites, Oreos, and marshmallow drizzle. So let me open this and show you inside this. Oh, there it is. Let me open this and show you guys how this is looking. So the drizzle is purple. This is pretty cool. That's the marshmallow drizzle. And then you see the Oreos. Hold on, let's get into it. Move myself out the camera. Oreos. See the brownie bite right there. Let's see. It's given campfire though. I can see why they got that, because the marshmallow does. It's giving delicious. It's just scrumdiddlyumptious. Like, So people like, you're into ice cream and stuff like that. I know a lot of people are lactose and stuff like that, but if I wasn't, I was still eating this, so I don't care. But this is busting. I usually like eat from like other ice cream bars and stuff like that. I wanted to try something new, and this did not disappoint. I think Shiloh wants some. So we were doing a review, so they told us they'll give us a little extra ice cream. I might review it, might not. I'm not sure of what's in it because it's something new that they're coming out with. But definitely, if you're in the Long Island, Suffolk area, go and check them out. We went to the Coram location. It was pretty tasty. And I rate this definitely like, it's a 10 out of 10 because all these toppings. Delicioso. So, yeah. Let me go take care of this baby. You want ice cream? Say, I want some ice cream. I want some ice cream. No, he can't have no ice cream. It's okay. It's okay. You want some ice cream? Say hi to the camera. You're not looking. Look who that is. Say, who's that? Say, that's me. Look. Look, Shiloh. Wow, that's you. Oh my goodness, that's me. Say, wow, that's me. So yes, so special shout out to Patrick from the Coram location for hooking us up with that extra ice cream and hooking us up with this delicious good eats. And yeah, stay tuned for another video. If you'd like to see more reviews like this, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe and turn on your notification bell to see when I'm posting my videos. Say bye, Shiloh. I don't know what he's looking at. Oh, he's looking at my hourglass. Say bye, Shiloh. Say bye, Papa. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Okay. Tuning out. Toodles. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.